Hi, if you're interested in how I'm able to make several $100s this month, since up here it shows January 10th all the way down to January 1st, I've made several $100 payments. This is 1, 2, 14, 14, 14, 3, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 14, 4, bunch of 14s, 5, 6, 7, and several more $14 payments. If you're interested in how I'm able to do this, I'd be happy to show you guys. Just comment below, share this video, and like it for a chance to get this information for free. Otherwise, I do charge $10 for these courses per person. There's no hidden fees after you pay the $10. It's just a one-time $10 fee. Everything else that I do is honestly just free for me to do because I make videos and I sell them. And basically this is just a tutorial on how to make your own videos and sell them for free, completely 100% online. They're extremely easy to get sales because these videos are required. So if you'd like to learn this, just like, comment, and share for a chance to get in for free. Otherwise, again, it will be $10. Thank you.